Good morning, everyone. Let's go to the Philippines. Yeah, first have to go to the Gold Coast, catch a bus, get on an airplane, go to Kuala Lumpur, spend the night there, and then arrive in the Philippines. Yeah. Looks like this is it. The end of a chapter, the end of an era. Australia, I love you. I won't forget you. Here's my flight to Kuala Lumpur, and let's just say that I enjoyed my time so much. It's a special place and I'll definitely be coming back. Mwah. Yeah, let's go to Kuala Lumpur! Woo! Burnt cheesecake. Indonesia, how cool is that? Kuala Lumpur. So what's up, Kuala Lumpur? It took me literally 1 hour to get out of from the airplane to the outdoor terminal. This is insane. Malaysia, I don't know what's it looked. We were literally waiting in a line for 45 minutes to do customs. Hire more people! Jesus, it's a huge international airport. What gives? There we go. I finally made it to Salak-Tinggi train station, which has a giant park and ride car park behind me. That's kind of cool. I'm moving my way forward, around 10 minutes walk to my overnight hostel, then back in the morning to the Philippines. So it's gonna be a long journey ahead, and I've been already traveling for 14 hours. We'll see how it goes. Good morning, everyone. It's 5:37 in the morning. Interesting. So what's going on? It's day 2. I am at Salak-Tinggi train station waiting for the train back to Kuala Lumpur International Airport. And as you can see, it is actually raining outside. So outside of my hostel, I just thought to myself, oh crap, what am I gonna do? I can't walk in the rain. Of course, I've almost forgot that we're in an Asian country. So I just grabbed a Grab. Grab is an awesome app, like Uber of Asia, and it's super cheap as well. So, and the driver was actually sleeping in his car 20 minutes away from my hostel. What I haven't noticed yesterday was that the airport is actually beautiful and really affordable. So I actually had a meal last night. I was going to again this morning, but I don't think I will be able to catch my plane if we're gonna have a big meal now. But yeah, hella impressed with the airport. Yikes, I've just noticed some Air Asia workers weighing bags and checking if they're gonna fit on the airplane. And since my bag is quite heavy, I don't know, we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so I've managed to get through just playing the foreigner card. Hold on to my backpack like it's very light, and usually they're gonna be super friendly to foreigners. So they weighted all the others. I don't know why, but when it came to me, they were like, go ahead, sir. No, seriously, that's what he said. Okay. So how to save money at the airports, right? Like if you're feeling hungry, if you want some coffee, what I recommend you to do is just walk around the restaurants and cafes and check prices. It's gonna take you only a couple of minutes to check it. So for example, all the cafes downstairs are ridiculously expensive. I could get only one coffee, like a cappuccino whatever, for €2, whereas on the upper level for the same price I got 2 soft-boiled eggs, some beautiful toast, and a coffee for the same price. So it doesn't take you much, but it can save you maybe not a lot of money, but if you do this often, it adds up, especially when you're traveling in Asian countries. And by the way, I don't know when was the last time that I've eaten soft-boiled egg at the airport. Finally in the Philippines. So here we go. I've just arrived in the Philippines, in Manila. It is hot. It is not as hot as I expected, but it is still awesome. Just waiting to board my next flight, which is gonna be at 5 p.m. 2 more hours to go, then finally relax. So I'm just departing from Terminal 4. As you see, the whole terminal is just one big gate. Still waiting for some coffee. Again, you can find ridiculously expensive coffee, like for €3 over there, or a local one for like 70 cents or something. So can't wait to finally get to Palawan. Finally, I'm here, Puerto Princesa, Palawan, my final destination after 2 days of traveling. I can't wait to just sit down, relax, and have a drink.